Wow, she looks absolutely gorgeous with this bob haircut. Loving this transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more haircut ideas. Now we move into the next transformation. She has some long, beautiful, thick, wavy hair here. The stylist places the hair into some ponytails and begins to cut. Cleaning up the lines and going shorter. Oh, very nice low maintenance shoulder length bob cut. Very nice. Now this is a great hairstyle if you want something that's low maintenance, a little bit more carefree. And she still has a lot of hair that she can play around with when it comes to styling. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she also decides to switch it up with a bob. Oh, very dramatic angle here. Wow. Oh, I love it. Beautiful shape, much longer in the front than it is in the back. This is stunning. Gorgeous transformation. And she also still has a lot of hair that she can play around with as well, much like the previous cut. And then we have a nice shag hairstyle. This is a very popular haircut that we are seeing this year. Many of the retro style haircuts have managed to make a comeback as a whole, and I think we will continue to see them as we head into 2024. And also I want to just say that as much like the layered hairstyle, the shag also gives you a nice amount of volume. So if you are looking to add some volume to your hair, the shag haircut would be a great haircut to try. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles that were featured within today's video, and you were able to gain some major hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.